Hello everyone, it's Carly. Welcome back to Learn Mandarin from Movies. This is a newbie lesson, so if you are of a different level, feel free to head to our channel and view another video instead. A couple days ago, I watched a movie and I immediately knew I wanted to share it with everybody. So it's called 你好之华, Last Letter. It's a little bit of a sad movie, but it is also very romantic, and it involves a middle school love triangle. But before we jump right in, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and turn on our notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Also, don't forget to check out our website that's also linked below. Alright, let's get started! The movie starts with our main character, Zhihua, attending a reunion in place of her deceased sister. At this reunion, she reconnects with her middle school crush, Yingchuan, who was her sister's university lover. This love triangle is replayed during the movie as the two exchange letters in the present, and they bonded over talking about their past times. But when they first start exchanging letters, our main character pretends to be her deceased sister. Because she didn't want Yingchuan to find out, so she does not put a return address. However, Yingchuan remembers her old address, so he sent a letter there anyways. In our scene today, it happens when Yingchuan first returns a letter to that address. Now, the daughters of these two sisters found the letters, so let's take a look at what they say.
是给我妈妈的信，谁寄的？没写。走。
So in the beginning of our scene, we see the daughter holding up a letter and say, 是给我妈妈的信。是给我妈妈的信。
是给我妈妈的信。
Now, actually, this sentence is missing a pronoun, which would have been 这, which means this. And next, the character 给 means to or for. So this entire chunk, 给我妈妈的, is actually the extra information that is modifying our main noun, which is 信 or letter. So this entire sentence together, 这是给我妈妈的信, means this is a letter for my mother. So let's use this structure to have some examples. 这是给爸爸的礼物. This is the gift for dad. Or 这是给学生的作业. This is the homework for the students. So now the cousin leans over and asks, 谁寄的? 谁寄的? Who was the one that sent it?
谁寄的?
So first, let's take a look at the character 寄, which means to send. And of course, in our case, they're referring to the letter. We also see a very common structure, which is 是的. And this is used to draw attention to certain information in a sentence. And we usually focus on what directly follows this 是 character. But in most cases, just like ours, this 是character is oftenly omitted. And so for us, we're focusing on the character 谁 or who. So we're really asking who sent it instead of, maybe what was sent. For example, we could ask 是谁做的? Who did it? So we would also be emphasizing on 谁. And the answer could be 是我做的. It was me who did it. So now the emphasis is on 我. Now another example could be 是怎么去的? How did you go there? And this time, 怎么 follows this 是 character, so we're emphasizing on how. And after flipping the letter back and forth, the daughter replies, 没写, 没写, not written.
没写。
So firstly, 没 means no. And we also use this character to negate a verb that is of an action in the past. 写 means to write. So together, 没写 means not written. Now, some examples could be that you didn't go to class, and so you can tell your friends, 我没去, I didn't go. Or perhaps you didn't bring your homework. You could say, 我没带, I didn't bring it. Lastly, if you asked me if I cried watching this movie, well, I could simply lie by saying, 我没哭. If you want to find out what made me cry, or what happened in the love triangle, then remember to watch the full movie. And that's it for this one. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and share. And if you have a question, or if you have something to say about the movie, make sure to leave a comment down below. I hope to see you next time. Bye!
Chinese pod.